Welcome to TechPoint PK. If you are trying to restore your MySQL database and getting this kind of error message or exception, restore database failed, Microsoft SQL Server Management Relational Engine Task or MySQL SMO.Extended. This kind of error message comes when you are trying to restore your database and configurations are not correct. The solution is you have to first select your database. Let me start with 0. First of all, you have to create the same name database. To create that database, right click on the databases, click on new database, and here you can enter the name of that database. Our database name is room, so we will create a empty database named room and then click OK. It will create blank empty database. Now you have to right click and click on task and restore, click on database. From your device you have to select the file of backup. Here we can select the backup file, browse it, click on add, then select the database file which is located in your drive. Our database file is located in this folder. This is our backup file. Click on OK, then press it OK. This should be selected. Go to options and click this first option, override existing database, and now press OK. It will restore your backup from the backup file. Now our database is successfully restored. Hope you like the video. Thank you.